Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Oukitel K13 Pro and let me share with you how to remove credentials on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to find security and location. Now let's scroll down to the very bottom and tap on advanced and scroll down again. Here we have to tap on encryption and credentials, and as you can see, after entering at the very bottom of this list, we've got the option we are looking for. So let's tap on clear credentials and confirm it with OK. And actually nothing happened. Be aware that if you've got any kind of screen lock currently set, then your device will ask people to enter it in order to confirm the whole step. So actually this is it. This is how to remove credentials in your Oukitel K13 Pro. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.